Hello, this is Past Rules from Borderline Tactical, showing you how to install your Arma 3 mods. First thing you'll do is pull up your Steam library, right click on Arma 3, hit Properties, go to Local Files, browse the local files. This will be your Arma 3's directory. First thing I get you to do is right click on Arma 3, hit Compatibility, and run this program as an administrator. Always run as an administrator because some of the mods can give you a bit of trouble. This goes the same for Teamspeak. If you are running Teamspeak, again, Properties, Open File Location, right click on your Teamspeak client, Properties, Compatibility, run as administrator. The example mod I'm going to be showing you to install will be ShackTac HUD. Firstly, if you're on the Borderline Tactical's Teamspeak, in our Attack Night you'll see all the mods that are required to play our Attack Nights, and those are all the links. I'll put them in the description. So once you've, one moment, I'll just pull up the page. This is the Armaholic page where you're going to get your mods from. It should look like this. You go down to the bottom, you click your download link, and it'll pop up in your download box. I've just got this dragged to desktop. You might need a program like WinRAR or WinZip to open these up. And then you have your mod here. The mods are at the folders, so again I'll just open up the Arma 3 directory. And all you need to do is just drag and drop. Now mine are just going to copy over because I've already got these installed. The other thing you'll notice is there's a server key, and a server key will go into your keys folder. And again, that'll just copy over. If you don't have a keys folder, make one. As well as some mods will require a user config folder. Again, if you don't have one, just make one. So that's for Task Force Radio, which won't be covered in this video as an example. However, when you do need to install your task force, it goes the same for installing the normal mods for Arma 3. However, you also need to install Teamspeak 3 as well, which will be in your plugins. And in plugins, you'll get a task force radio, Windows 32 or 64, depending on the Teamspeak that you're running, as well as radio sounds, and both of those go into the plugins folder. For task force, in your Teamspeak, you'll see plugins and settings, and you'll have to enable your Task Force Radio, and this will drag you down to the Task Force Radio channel once logged into the server. Otherwise, launch Arma up normally. So just give that a moment, and while that's running, I'll get the launch options. For those that don't use the Arma launcher, which I don't, I do everything manually. I'll put this in the description as a launch option. This is for a 4-core, 8-thread processor with a 16 gig of RAM, as well as your nosplash, skipintro, and noPause. Once you've got your Arma 3 loaded up, you want to click on Configure, and then Expansions, and enable your mods by just double-clicking. So as you can see, that's your ShackTac HUD. You hit OK, and then Arma will get you to restart, and everything should work from there. If there are any problems, just make sure that you're running Teamspeak and Arma as administrator, and that should cover most of it. If there are any problems relating to keys, again, make sure the keys folder is set in there, and if you have any problems in game with any configurations, that'll be problems to do with the user config file. Thank you.